Happy Cool Monday, everyone. This is 7 First Alert meteorologist Denise Isaac. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. And after a very humid and hot weekend, we're starting out the work week with cooler and less humid temperatures or conditions. It will be dry through midweek, so that's great news if you have outdoor plans. And a warming trend starts tomorrow, so no worries. Even though today we were only in the low 70s, by tomorrow we'll be warming up once again into the 80s. So high pressure will eventually take control of our entire state. Right now we're still seeing clouds associated to an area of low pressure that brought the severe weather yesterday, and now it's all the way towards the northeast. So high pressure eventually will take control tonight, allowing for clouds to move out. We're looking at mostly clear skies overnight, and with the clear skies and a northerly breeze that will allow for temperatures to drop into the 50s. So a comfortable night ahead, crisp and fresh air. Great to open the windows of your door and let some of that air in. Tomorrow we'll wake up with bright sunny conditions, and it stays pretty much sunny all day long. Tonight 59 in Detroit, a lot cooler to the north and west. We're looking at temperatures in the low 50s near Lake Orion as the wind will ease. With a northerly flow, tomorrow we start out at 59, warm up to 81. By Wednesday though, we're already feeling like summer once again. 86 degrees will be the high. Humidity starts to increase as an approaching cold front gets closer to Metro Detroit come Thursday. That's when we do have a good chance for showers and storms, 83. And right behind that cold front, we cool off once again. On Friday, 79. By Saturday, 80. And it's looking like a picture-perfect weekend. But that's for now. Make sure to stay tuned right here to Channel 7. As the weather changes, we'll continue to keep you up to date with all the weather information. Have a good one.